I have been loving my new Design Suite Daily Planner, and I wanted to tell you a little more about how I'm using it. First, the 5 different areas allow you to put in any information on a daily basis that is important to you. 12 sections of calendar page, and then 31 days of these daily pages. And you're noticing that there are really 5 sections. There's a box up here, this area, this area, this area, and then this area. So there are 5 sections, and you'll notice they're all blank. On Sundays, I go through my Google Calendar and write all of my appointments down into each day of the week. I like to leave blank areas because lots of different meetings and design opportunities show up that I need space for. As I go throughout my week, I work directly on the day I am planning. I'm using the column to the right for my 5 to 10 dreams I'm working towards in the next 10 years. I also usually add 1 to 3 things I'm grateful for. At the bottom, I add notes from work or things that pop up that I need to take care of. I write the most important thing for the day at the top. Watch my video on the ways you can use these different sections to match your most important daily things. These just happen to be the things that I've been writing in. And just as a heads up, I forgot to mention that recipes, what you plan to cook for the day, decorating projects, or anything else can be added as one of your sections. Make this daily planning work for you. Check out the Amazon store for new colors and covers and sizes. This is the best way to get your creativity, planning, and dreams all in one spot so you can create routines that will boost your productivity.